The traditional way to earn money, of course, is by having a job. You work for a company or start your own, and the work you do earns you money, which you spend on things like a mortgage, rent, food, clothing, utilities, and entertainment. Most people typically work from their company's central location, a physical space where everyone from that organization gathers to exchange ideas and organize their efforts. But many folks have found ways to make money within the comfort of their own home, thanks to the internet. Some of these gigs are best for those looking to make a little extra money on the side, while others can lead to full-time jobs and big success. Let's begin. Number 10. Selling stuff on eBay. Most people today are familiar with the concept. You have things you don't necessarily need, but others are willing to buy, and you can auction off the items on eBay or other online auction sites. Simply gather your goods, create a seller's profile, and start selling. It sounds simple, but it takes some practice to sell successfully. You need to create persuasive and legitimate product pages for the goods you're selling to get buyers interested. It's also important to set reasonable minimum bids to ensure that people will buy. Number 9. Blogging. Blogging is one of the oldest methods for making money online. People who love writing tend to start blogs with a niche focus. For example, a blog about procrastination, cars, dropshipping, toys. Basically anything is good enough. It is advisable to narrow your focus so you can build a loyal following, but big enough that you can cover a lot of ground. There are several ways to make money blogging. You can add affiliate links in your posts. You can monetize with AdSense by placing ads strategically on your website. You can also sell digital or physical products on their website. Number 8. Invest in stocks. You can also make money fast by investing in stocks. If you aren't an expert in picking stocks, you might want to skip this money-making idea. While it can have one of the highest rewards, it can also result in money loss if you're inexperienced. If you currently hold a 9-to-5 job, look into your company's financial programs or get an expert to help with choosing good stocks. Number 7. Freelancing. Freelancing is similar in some ways to blogging. For one thing, you get to work from your own home most of the time. But there are a few important distinctions. With freelancing, you're generally selling your writing to another publication as opposed to just putting it on your blog, although some bloggers do both. Many freelance writing positions cover specialized topics for online publications and may require expert knowledge on the subject. You could specialize in writing about food, healthcare, business, or just be an all-arounder. However, it helps you get more work if you can point to expertise or experience in a particular niche. Number 6. Become a TikTok consultant. One of the trendiest new ways to make money online is to become a TikTok consultant. Brands will contact you for brainstorming video ideas, developing engaging bios, and more. It's the perfect money-making opportunity for digital nomads. You can run the entire business from your smartphone. Compared to Instagram, TikTok is relatively new and untapped, so helping brands grow brand awareness on the app might turn fortunes. Number 5. Become a virtual assistant. With so many entrepreneurs building businesses, the demand for virtual assistants is increasing almost daily. As a virtual assistant, you'll do a variety of tasks. Writing, order processing, bookkeeping, social media, and customer support are just a few of the tasks you might be asked to do as a virtual assistant. You can earn money online on websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs, Indeed, or Upwork. Number 4. Your own YouTube channel. Top YouTubers can make millions each year, and that includes 5-year-olds. Take PewDiePie, who has made more than $15 million filming himself playing video games. But you don't need millions of viewers to make money on YouTube. It's that easy. Some ideas for valuable videos include how-tos, such as recipes, unboxing, where you open a product for viewers, food and travel reviews, music videos, comedy skits, games, short movies, and so on. If it is good and interesting enough to capture people to view and subscribe, then you can say hello to dollar bills in the coming years. Number 3. Drive your car. If you own a car, you can make some spare cash as an Uber driver or delivery person. Uber drivers looking to make even more money off their car can turn their car into an advertisement using free car media. Your car will be wrapped with a removable vinyl decal or even loan your car to be used by another driver. Number 2. Create an online course. Sharing knowledge is one of the best ways to make money online. If you're an expert on a subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating courses online. You can sell your course on Udemy, or if you already have your own audience, on your own website. Some entrepreneurs earn as much as $5,000 per month with online courses. To create a popular and successful course, your best bet is to watch other courses on your topic. Focus on creating content that solves the biggest complaints while emulating the positive aspects people rave about. Number 1. Sell your photography. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love snapping great pictures, you can monetize your photography in several ways. You can make money fast by posting your photography services in local Facebook groups for your community. If you're looking for more exposure, you can use a site like Burst. However, if you're looking to monetize your phone photography quickly, you can use FOAP. That is all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit the big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.